In the fast-paced world of education, managing contracts, scheduling maintenance, and keeping up with the academic calendar can be a daunting task. Enter Remindax, a game-changing automated reminder system that takes the pressure off. With Remindax, schools and universities can streamline their administration process. Need to manage contracts with suppliers? Remindax has it covered. Upcoming maintenance for facilities? You'll get a timely reminder. From tracking academic calendars to handling intricate administrative tasks, Remindax's capabilities are vast. The software offers efficient communication channels through email, SMS, and even WhatsApp reminders, ensuring prompt updates in real time. The flexibility of Remindax's multi-channel reminders means your institution can choose the most effective way to reach its staff. Leveraging Remindax's intuitive system eliminates the chance of missing crucial deadlines or maintenance schedules, enhancing operational efficiency and productivity. In the realm of education, where precision and timing are paramount, Remindax proves to be an invaluable partner. Say goodbye to overlooked tasks and embrace the seamless convenience of Remindax.